pitch because it is producing pinching effect. So the buzzing of mosquito, it produces high pitch sound. But when the same mosquito producing the same number of vibrations, same sound, if it moves away from us, slightly it moves away from us, then we will not be able to hear the sound. In that case, we can say it is faint sound, it is dull sound, means its loudness is very less. So therefore the sound produced from buzzing of mosquito is having high pitch and dull sound. It is dull sound. But when we come to the sound produced from roaring of lion, the roaring of lion, it produces the sound, it can be heard even at the distance of 2 kilometers. When you people see the Discovery or Geographic channel, in that you can observe that sometimes a lion is roaring, producing sound. It can be heard even at very longer distance. That means its loudness is high. So it is louder sound. It is louder sound, but that sound is not producing any pinching effect. It is not giving any irritating sense. Therefore, it has low pitch. It has low pitch. If a sound produces irritating effect, high pitch, and not irritating, that is low pitch. So, the roaring of lion, it produces louder sound and having low pitch. If it is the buzzing of mosquito, it is dull sound, that is faint sound and high pitch. This is example, one of the example. And then the other sound can also be compared with any other sound. That means sound produced from bike horn or car horn. And that sound, sometimes that sound is producing some irritating effect. That means it has high pitch and it can be heard even at the longer distance, so louder. So that sound is having high pitch and a louder sound. So the sound produced from any source may be of any kind of nature. It may be high pitch, louder sound, high pitch, dull sound, low pitch, louder sound, low pitch, faint sound. Any kind of sound may be produced. So these are the two characteristics. Pitch depends on frequency, loudness depends on amplitude. So by observing the wave pattern, you can find out, you can clearly understand, you can clearly identify which sound is having high pitch and which is having louder. So these are the two characteristics. Now we come to the third characteristics of sound that we call quality. It is quality. What actually the quality is? The quality of sound, it is depending on nature of vibration. Nature of vibration. All sound are produced due to the vibration of particles of the material or surface or medium. But the nature of vibration of the surface or object or particles of the medium is different. Nature of vibration. According to the nature of vibration, even in human being also, everyone is talking, but the nature of vibration of everyone's voice box is different. That's why everyone's voice is different. The difference in the voice is not only due to the frequency and loudness, it is also mainly due to the nature of vibration of vocal cords of every individual. And this nature of vibration we can see, we can observe this nature of vibration. Suppose a sound is produced from fluid. If a person is playing fluid, then the sound is produced. For that sound, if we observe the wave pattern, the wave pattern is obtained like this. It is perfectly like this. This is the wave pattern formed for the sound produced from fluid. Then, if we take another instrument, suppose it is violin. Then the violin is placed, it produces the sound. In that case, you can find the wave pattern of the sound produced for this violin is just approximately like this. This type of wave pattern is formed. See, this is the sound produced, nature of sound and the nature of vibration produced for violin. And if we take other kind of instruments and if we form the wave pattern, that wave pattern of for all the instruments is different. And this wave pattern can be formed in computer. When you open the computer, in that sometimes you people are playing the media player. In the media player, if you play an audio song only, suppose you are playing a song only having audio, not video. In that situation, on the screen, you will find some pattern. You are finding some pattern is forming continuously. For that pattern, you can choose, you can select a particular pattern. There is an option that what kind of pattern you want to see on the screen. There is an option to form the wave pattern. When you play any song, in that as the song continues, you can find the wave pattern is changing continuously. And you can identify what kind of instruments are played in the song, and for every instrument the wave pattern is continuously changing. So like this, the nature of vibration, this is the different nature of the different nature of wave pattern is due to the nature of vibration of the vibrating part in that instrument. So it is due to the different nature of vibration, we are able to differentiate the sound from different source, different sound. We are able to differentiate the sound due to this nature of vibration or due to this quality. Suppose we are able to identify the sound from a group of persons. Suppose in a room, number of persons are sitting and they are talking with each other. You are just standing outside the room. By standing outside the room, you can clearly hear the voice from inside. If the people who are sitting inside the room are known to you, already you know the people who are sitting inside the room and you heard their voice. Already you must have heard their voice. So that is the situation. You are hearing their voice now, and in that situation